Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 6 of our Hiragana learning journey. We will cover 5 new characters, that is ha, he, fu, he and ho. Let's dive in together. So our first character is ha. Ha for hachi. Hachi means 8. Try repeating after me. Ha, hachi. Next is he. Example hiru, meaning daytime. This character has a soft sound. Repeat with me. Hiru. Now we have fu. Example fune, which means boot. This sound is slightly different from English fu. It's softer, almost like blowing air. Our fourth character is he. He for hebi. It means snake. Repeat with me. Hebi. And finally we have ho. Ho for hoshi. It means star. This sound is strong. Repeat after me. Ho. Hoshi. Today we have learned ha, he, fu, he, and ho. If you enjoy these lessons, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.